Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'll be going to tell you about Google Forms. What is Google Forms? How can we use Google Forms? And how we can easily make our forms using Google Forms. So without talking much, let's move into the video and see how that we can make a creative Google Forms. So I'm making this video using my mobile phone. You can use your desktop or laptop and you can make your Google form using that. Okay. So first of all you need to open up your browser. In my case I'm using Google Chrome as my browser. So I've just opened my Google Chrome here and just you need to type in the URL which is here. We'll type here forms.google.com and just you will click enter or you will be click on that URL. After that you can see this is what you will get here. So here you can create your Google form. If you are using your laptop or desktop, easily very same, very much like this only you will need to create your Google forms. Now for example, here you can add the title of the form. So right now I am making a form for the admission of my institute. So I'll type here admission in computer class. And in description I'll give here computer class, then admission form. It's very easy method. You can easily make Google form using your mobile phone as well as your laptop or desktop. So here I have to first select the options. So first I'll type the question. So first question I'll ask here name. So NAME name. And from here what you'll do, you'll just click in this box and you'll get the options like what you want to choose. So short answer it has already taken because like this name is also a short answer. And in text, so what text I want to show here, I need to type that text here. Okay, so this I require, it is compulsory. And in the short answer this is what the name, so name. After that whatever text the guy will enter here, it will come here. Okay, now plus, now the name, after name I want the class of that. Simply whatever you want you can easily type here. So after name I want the class. So this here I am giving here multiple choice questions, or just I will give here a drop down checklist. So drop down menu I'll give option 1 is the guy should be from the following classes. So I'll type here 10 in Roman number. Then another option is 11 and another option is 12. Okay, and I also required this. So I don't require this, I'll just do what, I'll just here I will go and just click on cross. Okay, so name I want, then class, then I want the age of that guy. So age. So you can see here that as you are typing the name and age, it is automatically taking like short answers or drop down menu, whatever it is automatically taking, or else you can choose your own. But Google is so intelligent that it will automatically tell you about that name, class, age. And what I want is like I want the family income. So this should be in numbers. So I don't want all this, I just want here a short answers also. Done. So simply you can make this, and here what you use this is for adding more, you will just click plus. This is what this is for the export file, like select the form, type whatever you have, and from the previous form you can make, or select form, like whatever you have from there. So I don't want to select this option. Then here you have the font title, like untitled, this is title. Whatever title you want to add, here you can add your title with your own. So I don't want to add this. From here you can give a picture also. So if you want, if you have some picture and using that picture you want to answer the question, so you can use this picture also. So in my case it isn't required here. Okay, so I want to click on cross, and after creating, what you will do, here you can see there is a responses option. So if you'll click here in the responses, whatever response you will get, he will be here stored in that response, like whoever has enter your fill up your forms and all, so all the information will be here. And in settings you can get like make this as a quiz or responses or presentation, whatever you want, or you want to keep as a default style. And after that you can just click on send. So as soon as you send, it will come, like if you want to send via mail, or you want the link, or you want the embedded code which you can put in your website and all. And the one thing which is very important, which is should keep in your mind, like you should be logged in with your email id. So right now I am logged in with my email id here. So it is very simple method. You can also change the color, like I have choose here, and just I'll click on apply. You can see here the color of background has been changed. So it is very simple method how to create a form and how to apply it. So hope so that you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Thank you.